Welcome to Furnace Repair, Greenway, Oregon, right now heating and cooling. Our address is 12725 Southwest Millikan Way, Suite 300A, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. If you're looking for a trustworthy HVAC contractor in your neighborhood, you need to look to none other than Right Now Heating and Cooling. Our team of experts can provide services for both residential and commercial properties. We have more than 25 years expertise in the HVAC business and are able to handle any of your toughest HVAC issues. Our highly skilled HVAC technicians and contractors are highly experienced across all aspects of the heating and cooling business and provide exceptional service with top quality results, outstanding customer service, and affordable prices. Our team takes pride in staying up to date with technological advancements and codes to keep your family and your home healthy. No matter how complicated or massive the task, we love doing what we do. This is evident in the high-quality work we do. From minor heating and cooling repairs to massive central heating and cooling system installation, our HVAC contractors can help. We only employ factory-trained technicians. They're the best in the industry, so you can be assured that your job will be completed right the first time. At Right Now Heating and Cooling, we anticipate to continue our relationship even after your new equipment is installed or repaired. Our ongoing services will ensure that your equipment is operating efficiently, without causing any disruptions. The services we offer include furnace repair, furnace installation, air conditioner repair, air conditioner installation, heat pump repair, heat pump installation, central heating repair, central heating installation, thermostat repair, thermostat installation, and other services. Our philosophy is to provide the most competitive price with qualified HVAC technicians. We also back the work we do with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. For any heating and cooling repairs, or installation services at your house or company or business, our HVAC contractors are ready to assist you. We have a variety of pricing options and guaranteed workmanship. We offer emergency and weekend service, as well as warranties for all parts and labor. Please visit us on our website or phone us at 503-300-6124.